from Craft Me a Card, and I love crafting for the crafter, and that is you. Now today I don't have something crafty for you, but it is crafty related. I want to share with you guys what I got for Christmas. And yes, I have set my camera a lot higher than usual because I want you guys to see the unboxing of a ScanNCut. My hubby gave it to me for Christmas. Bless his heart. He loves me. So what the ScanNCut does is that, what I understand is that you have an image and this machine scans it and cuts it out for you. Now this eliminates the need to buy so many dies that go with so many stamps. Now, I'm sure that the ScanNCut has many other features, many other ways that you can use it, but that was my main reason why I wanted to purchase the ScanNCut. I see here that there are many different variations of things that the machine could do. It could maybe act also like a Cricut. So I'm very excited to play with the ScanNCut, and I know there are many crafters out there that have been, thinking of purchasing the ScanNCut. So this is going to be a process for you and myself in learning what the ScanNCut has to offer and what the ScanNCut can do. So yeah, let's start and seeing what is in this magnificent box. All right, so let's see. Very well. So this is our first layer, and here is our book. Let's see. It's kind of like a manual, and I guess something to register. We'll see. Instructions, maybe. Getting started guide. Okay, thank you for your purchase. All right, so I'll look through that later. Let's just get through with what this machine looks like and what is in here. Okay, so we have the cable. That's the power cable. Okay, make sure you have that. And then this was easy. Oh, what a beautiful machine. Oh dear. Oh. Pretty, pretty, pretty. All right. So then it also has a mat. Make sure that comes with your machine. I'm guessing this is where we place the paper to get it scanned and cut. All right. So here is the machine. This is the ScanNCut. Okay. That's by Brother. And you have a screen here. But okay, so the screen clicks for you to put wherever you want. You have your on button, mat to push it in and out. You have your home button. Okay, so here it gives you just basic instructions. So we'll work through that later. And then you have this covered here. This is where your mat is going to go through. Now I have a Cricut, so that's why I'm a little familiar with how these machines work. And that's where your mat is going to go through. So this is your mat where you're going to be placing the paper that you want cut out. It also comes with the very pretty blue cardstock here. I like it, this blue. So pretty. It has a little glitter shimmer to it. It's very stunning. So then this would be stuck on here, and then this is put through the machine. And I know there are ways to work it where you can tell the machine exactly where you want, what parts you want cut, what parts you don't want cut, and the machine will do it for you. So this is a learning process for me. And I know there are a lot of crafters out there that are very curious on this machine that we have, been wanting for a while and have been contemplating on getting it. So I'll share with you here on the channel what I do with it and what I can do, what I can't, if it's easy, if it's not. But anyways, I invite you to subscribe if you haven't already done so. I love card making. I love paper crafting. So that is really why I want this machine. Okay, so another thing I discovered is that when you open this, it has a little compartment here. It actually has two little compartments, and you peel off this little sticker. And that, I think, is the blade. Comes a little pouch. Yeah, it is the little blade. Oh, and it has a little pencil that you click on here to modify and to select what you want. So, put this here for now. The little spatula to pick up your paper off of the mat. And then, so this is the blade. And the blade is in there. So I'm not going to play with it. Ooh! That went in quick. Okay, so then this, I think you have to hold it down. Have to push it down. Oh, there we go. So that locks it in place. This is to unlock and lock the roller. So just by looking over at the manual, I do see that the ScanNCut does have images preloaded in the machine. So I see here that the pretty blue paper is to actually make this pretty little bag, princess bag. So yes, I am happy that the ScanNCut has many other things that it can do. I show you some projects that you can complete with it. So not necessarily only for scanning and cutting. So yeah, so these little, whoa, heavy. Oh, but it has a little rubber stand here. I like that. I like that little rubber thing to hold it. And this is just for you to store. We love storage, don't we? And this is the little cap for the blade. That's also gonna go in there. Oh, so it also has a little compartment here where you could put your pen and your spatula. Make it easier for you. So maybe a little bag I'll put in here. So that was the unboxing of this ScanNCut. It's quite big. This is a little bit bigger than the Cricut Expression. So I already have a place assigned for it in my craft room, which I'm very excited to place it there. It's gonna go right underneath of where I have my Cricut. All right, so yeah, I am looking forward to using this and sharing it with you here on the channel. Thank you so very much for joining me. I hope you get inspired. I hope you create and be happy. I invite you to subscribe if you haven't already done so. Like and comment. Thank you so very much. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.